Hello everyone, it's Monday, and today, every Monday is going to be my goal that I'll be doing a financial day check-in or tinatawag ko na finance day. So basically, what I'm going to do is every Monday, I will be checking in with my running balance, savings, expenses, and credit card transaction, which I will be showing to you today. So for everyone who doesn't know and this is the first time you will be checking in or will be seeing my video, my name is Abel. I am not a financial guru. I am simply sharing how I manage our finance as a middle class family who is earning single income, and I work full time and I do have a side business, but I'm only earning it for a quarterly basis. So basically I don't include that in my monthly budget. So I'll show you guys this my budget planner. I created this based on how it reflects and how I use for my financial budget. So for a background, this is going to be the running balance where I'm putting every salary or every money and also my sinking funds in one account, which is in CIMB. Why? Because I earn interest rather compared sa mga traditional na bangko. These are my sinking funds and these are my long-term goals. These are, description. For the paycheck 1, paycheck 2, running balance. And in paycheck number 1, I haven't changed the date, but that's supposed to be February 1. So, in my paycheck 1, it is itemized in here, going down to the expenses here. Same goes with my paycheck number 2. If you scroll down, here's my monthly budget in here, guys, and then my expense tracker. Now I do have a credit card transaction which I list down all the one that I swipe between February 3 to 15th, or basically every 3rd up until the 15th of the month, because that's the first billing cycle that will fall into my paycheck 1. And also February 16 to March 3, which is also fall to the next paycheck of my falls under to the billing cycle of my next paycheck. So enough of the intro. Let me show you what I did on my today's budget. So last Sunday, we went out with my kids to a mall in which I pay via QR code. I try to lessen my, using a physical cash, guys, and go digitally. It's not totally 100% that it will go out na talaga and use the digital talaga, but for me it's nowadays it's convenient, no? So I have the miscellaneous hair curler, and these are the category. These are the amount that I spent for. And if we scroll up and review paycheck number 2, currently today is February 24. So for my miscellaneous, I overspent 843. And what else? I also overspent for my family allowance, and I still have a budget of remaining 1,019 for the gas or move it. Then basically it will show you my remaining and how much I spent in total that I have swiped. And then right here you will see, guys, on my paycheck number 2, I have left 8,635. So what I'm going to do, basically, I have a savings in here. So usually my savings are the education and kuya allowance. Show you guys, if we scroll here, it will show you that I am saving up for the grade 8 tuition fee and as well as for my kuya allowance. Let me also try to review my paycheck number one. So my paycheck number one, I overspent in my miscellaneous. Now I would like to see ano ba tong 378 na overspend ko. I would see, okay, I bought a selfie stick which is currently I'm using to hold this mobile phone so I can do some content creation. And 549. So basically, the one that I overspent is only for buying the selfie stick because it's not part of my budget. Let's see. I overspent for the grocery of 50 pesos. Because my grocery is 2054. My budget is 2000. I overspent 54. Now for my allowance, family allowance, compared to the paycheck number 2, I have left 405 in here. So basically what I will do now is to move all the savings that I plan to save para I can see how much is my real remaining budget. Kasi mamaya ko na talaga kukunin itong 2.5 na naka-budget nito until I move this into the savings. So here's what I'm going to do. Let me work on that and let me see if I can do some, show you at the back end. Should be So right here, guys, if you would see, we have a sinking funds tracker. Let me see if I can focus. Sinking funds tracker in which I can add and I can minus. But this time, I can actually say na naka-add ako ng 4,000 for the tuition fee and 1,000 for the kuya allowance. So I'll put it right here. So for the tuition fee, this is going to be the grade 8 tuition fee. Grade 7 yung anak ko. And next school year, grade 8 na siya. And usually, guys, I really do not want to not save for his tuition because I don't want to be in the situation na wala akong pambayad. I'm hoping hindi siya mangyari for the next 4 years in this university. So if you could see here, oh, wala nang budget, diba? So, yeah. And next, let's take it out from the paycheck number 2. Although I include it in my monthly budget because yung iniisip ko kasi, guys, I have to, put, it's still part of my budget, but in a sinking funds na sinking funds na mentality. Yan, yun yung right term doon. So, medyo nakakahilo talaga if you're not doing this. Hindi, So, you would see here, okay, wala na. Sige, lagay ko dito. So, yung VECO, that's the electric bill that we share for. We are living with my in-laws, so we are sharing like 2,000 na VECO, which I will be transferring later on. So, currently, ano pa ba wala ka sa dito? Okay. Let's see. I overspent in here. At meron naman ako makukuha na dyan. Let's see how much. Paycheck number 2 left is 2,635. That will actually leave me 2,500 savings. And the paycheck number 2. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's move on, guys. For birthday funds. So for the tuition in total, I've save 8,000, tapos 2,000 for kuya allowance. So nakita nyo naman yung total savings is 10,000. So this time, what I would do is to save that money. Okay, I'll transfer the 2,525. Okay. So this is going to be in my savings. Okay, 25 savings. So here's the thing, guys. If you would see, okay, hold on. Kasi may utang pa ako eh. Hold on ha. Before Feb paycheck plus 2,500. Okay. So what I will do, add this and add here. So that's 9,536. Okay. You're right. Galing. So to continue on the February, guys, I do have a paycheck remaining here. Paycheck number 1, 6,868, which doon ko siya ilalagay sa aking utang. That's under 10,954. So what happened is that nagkautang ako mismo sa aking grade 8 na tuition fee because of these expenses here that is not being planned. So yung gagawin ko nga, I'll spend the 6,800 here para konti na lang yung utang ko at maibalik ko na yung funds dito sa aking dito sa ating grade 8 na tuition fee para makabalik na to, guys, sa kanyang numbers kasi we need to keep up. Our goal is 67,000 before mag-start yung new school year. Then we also have the medical funds. So yun, I'll put it on hold muna for putting a savings in here. I just wanted to make sure that I am paying this off. However, for the minivan, I'm able to put in 5,000 savings just to have an update. So there, I think that's it. So right now I am so happy, guys. Right now I am really so blessed that I am enjoying this process. I know it gets overwhelmed at the first time that you will be doing this. I've been doing this for like 3 years na, guys. The budgeting, the finance, and if you've been my subscriber since the beginning, thank you so much, because up until now you are still here. Even though nagmiya ako because I'm trying to keep up with my schedule. As you start doing this, like nung cash stuffing days ko pa, guys, it's kind of going to overwhelm you. One, you may get sad because your budgeting did not go as what you have planned for. Guys, if you are a subscriber to me in the beginning of my journey, I've been doing this financial budget journey for 3 years now. And nung una, I really get overwhelmed kasi ang konti ng sahod ko is just 10,000 per month, 10,000 per bi-weekly, and I was able to get budget on that. But as what they said, hindi mo kayang budgetin ang malaking pera kung hindi ka marunong mag-budget ng maliit mong income. So I think it's a blessing for me that I started very small and doing this from the beginning of small journey up until now that I have like a decent amount of income. Although it's not that much, but it's enough for us. And I'm happy for the process. I'm happy for the growth of my income. you just really need to trust the process. You just really need to, pray for a guidance with whoever you believe to, whether it's Jesus, if you're Christian, if you're Muslim. So just pray, and ask for some guidance, because that's what I do. Yes, I honestly do believe that there's a financial anxiety, stress all over there if things didn't go as planned. But I've been there, and up until now I'm still that kind, meron akong worries. But I always pray. Just pray for any guidance. So if you've been with us, guys, I've been doing this for about 3 months, 3 years. My channel is 3 years na, and I'm really really happy that you are here with me doing this digital naman. I stopped doing the cash stuffing because I want to go digitally, and not because it's new, but because it is something that is working for me. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on our next one. Bye, guys.